I need to go to the store. There's me going to the truck. Come on, Queenie, let's go. Oh no, the truck won't crank. What do I do? Just what am I gonna do? Crazy one-legged old man does it again. Woohoo! And away I go.